everyone and very happy Republic Day to you all. I am Parul Gupta, art teacher of KV Chuda Chandpur, which is in Manipur state. Wanted to show you a craft project. It's a hexagonal pop-up card which is dedicated to our armed forces. Let's have a look. The concept of the outer side of this box is very colorful, showing all beautiful symbols of incredible India. Includes Kalash, Veena, elephant, Kathakali mask, dhol, Rangoli colors, tea kettle, charkha, rickshaw, peacock, kite, and so more. And in the front of it, you all can see the sticker of these two kids holding tricolor flag is coming out from this cutted section, and on the side strip of this box lid one quotation is written, that is, we are celebrating our true colors of democratic India with the armed forces. Its meaning is that we are able to celebrate all wonderful and beautiful things because forces are protecting us day and night from our enemies. That's why the theme of this box is our soldiers, our heroes. Let's open it. That's how we open it. It has a pop-up tower, or we can name it telescope card, in the middle, which is surrounded by 6 other cards pasted on the inside walls of this hexagonal box. It is made in that way so that all the flaps or side walls should be open in its direction towards outside when we will open it. Let's open the card one by one. On the first card, it's a quotation album on which it is written, Desh ke rakshako ko salam, salute to our real heroes. Quotations are also written in Hindi and English, both languages. Let's read a few. Only the best of the friends and worst of the enemies visit us, Indian Army. Quartered in snow, silent to remain, when the bugle calls, they shall rise and march again. On the back side, 7 बार गिरकर 8वीं बार उठ जाना, ये काम भारतीय सेना का जवान ही कर सकता है. दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबू ए वफा आएगी. Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor, or I will come back wrapped in it. Bravery is the only one who knows you are afraid. आसान नहीं फौजी कहलाना दोस्त, जज्बात पिघलाकर रगों में लोहा भरना पड़ता है. There are a few more similar to this. In the second card, I have shown our soldiers standing in arid sandy deserts, holding the arms to protect the boundaries. Likewise, I have made 2 other cards of our soldiers standing strong in snowy glaciers. And standing in deep dense forest. The reason behind to present these cards is to present the working condition of our heroes. As one of the senior officer once told me that they have to live and work and do their duties sometime with the lack of everything required for living, like food, water, air, shelter, etc. In the next card, I wanted to show you 2 pictures which are folded in crisscross pop-up card. In one picture it is, they eat and celebrate together. we can only open one card at a time because it needs space to open. You can see our soldiers eating together, and in the next card you all can see they celebrating their win together. And in the last card, which is a zigzag card showing the people of Indian diversity, state and religion, all are in one line. And a quotation on the back side written on it, they comes from diverse culture and religions and lives as a team. And in the last, I wanted to show you this telescope card. That's how we open it. Actually, we can pull the kids upside to open it. Let's have a look. Here you can see in the first step, it's a painting or sketch depicting the army, navy, tanks and air force are working together for our security. And upside on it, there are two quotations written on it in Hindi and English. In English it is, dressed in army uniform, strong in heart and mind, dedicated to their duty and nation, we call them fearless army men. Where army is, there we are. Jai Hind. And Hindi, it is, रखने परचम ऊंचा खेल जाते हैं जान पर, आने नहीं देते आज वतन की आन पर, करते हैं अपनी नींदें कुर्बान हमारी खातिर, हिंद को फक्र है अपने हिंदी जवान पर, सेना है तो हम हैं, जय हिंद. And upside on it, you all can see the different posture of our jawans in the front of fiery background, and upon it, it is the logo of Amar Jawan Jyoti in all 6 sides, and on the top, 2 kids, 1 girl and a boy holding the tricolor flag. Its meaning is that our new generation is standing strong and happily on the very strong basis created by our armed forces. And to close this card, I just need to push it down gently, and to close this, I just need to collect all the flaps together . And by covering it with that lid again, by setting the kid sticker in this section. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.